and social amenities has got a very clear and specific mandate. The mandate is to provide functional human settlements, which speaks to Vision 2030. We have separated the mandate into segments. The first segment is the construction of institutional accommodation for health workers and doctors, institutional accommodation for teachers and other civil servants. Because of the nature of the health services environment, we have decided to give that a priority number one. So as we started embarking on the construction of institutional accommodation for health workers and doctors and nurses. We started with five hospitals, Parrenyatwa being number one. We're going to be constructing brand new blocks of flats, 5-story and 4 stories, middle income blocks of flats at Parrenyatwa Hospital. We also do at the same time go to Salimugabe, formerly Harare Hospital, construct 2 blocks of similar nature as well. We go to Bulawayo, Mpilo Hospital and the United Bulawayo Hospitals. That is the phase 1 of the construction program. The phase 2 will target all the provincial general hospitals. Then we move to district hospitals. So there's going to be a massive uplift of the phases of our hospitals in terms of accommodation for our staff. We have decided to construct within the cantonment of the hospitals to ease the effects of transport, to ease the cost of transport for the junior doctors, for the nurses, and for all other health services employees. We, as providers of shelter, and we're all aware that shelter is not just a policy, but it is enshrined in the Constitution. It's a human right. We are going to look at the urban areas in terms of facelifting, speaking to Vision 2030. We move to peri-urban areas, we move to resettlement areas, we also move to rural areas. We are developing a concept of which we want to be, by 2030, we will have human settlements in the rural areas without pit latrines, without wells, but with running water, septic tanks and soak away. That's what we're focusing on. We do the same with resettlement areas. Coming to urban areas, we have an issue with illegal settlements. I think it's important that we discuss it. Illegal settlements are a thing of the past. We are not going to be demolishing people's houses. That is not the agenda. We are going to be regularizing those that are in existence. Of course, in the regularization process, there are those that will stand in the way of a road. There are those that will stand in the way of water and sewer reticulation systems. Those will obviously have to go, but we will provide alternative accommodation for those that will be affected. So in a nutshell, Honorable Chair, that is the agenda from the Ministry of National Housing and Social Amenities.